Hi, my name is Brandon with Safe and Vault Store, and today we're going to be talking about how to program the Simplex Lock. Alright, to program this lock, the factory code is 2 and 4 at the same time, and 3. Then you go over here and you hit the button on the inside. You turn the knob counterclockwise, and then you pick your code. And so for instance, I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then I turn the knob clockwise to accept it. And then you can lock it back in place, and now you hit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then clockwise, and it's unlocked. So it is always great to double check a couple times that the lock works correctly before closing the door and locking it, so you don't lock up the safe. So just double check, make sure your code you program works, and then it's okay to lock the door and check it once the door is closed as well. So today we learned how to program the Simplex Lock. And again, this is Brandon with Safe and Vault Store, and thanks for shopping with us.
Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to get the latest updates of all of our products and videos.